Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Ari Julian Putra, a student D4 LJ Electronic Engineering of Polytechnic Elektronika Negeri Surabaya, who will present the progress of my final project entitled Omnidirectional Camera Implementation for Robot Soccer Positioning in RoboCup Junior Soccer Open Rule using Fast Corner and Dual Circle. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Dr. Engineering Arif Irwansyah, STM and Mr. Reza Akbar, STMT PhD, as my advisor in this final project, and to all those who have helped me in carrying out my final project. Okay, I will start from what is RoboCup Junior event. RoboCup Junior or RCG is a project-oriented educational initiative that sponsor local, regional, and international robotic events. It's designed to introduce RoboCup to primary and secondary school children, as well as undergraduates who do not have the resource to get involved in the senior league of RoboCup. The focus of RCG is on education. Background: the high interest in the current junior robot competition in Indonesia, with the large number of students participating in every event held both regional and national, is also expected to be continued by participation in international events, one of which is RoboCup Junior. Then a robot is created that can be used by students to get part in the junior RoboCup competition, and can also be used for learning about technology that can be applied to robot. One category of RoboCup competition is Soccer Open Junior. In soccer robot, like a human play football, robot must be able to move according to the strategy applied. One of the supporting factors so that the strategy can be applied is that the robot is able to implement self-localization in the field. Overview of background: mobile robot localization can be separated into two separate problems. First, local localization. The robot has initial estimate of its pose. Second, global localization. Robot doesn't have initialization position information. The problem formulation from this final project: how robot do localization in the field, how robot can detect landmark point for self-localization reference, and how is the self-localization algorithm used by robot with identify landmark point. Goal of this final project: applying the vision system to the junior open soccer robot, creating a localization system to determine the position of the robot against the field, to be applied later in the competition. Approach to goals: color extension on the goals, looking the minimum area of the goal, looking for the corner of the goal, detect offside and center the goal, distance detection of the robot from the goal. Apply a dual circle algorithm for self-localization on robot. This is a system block diagram of my final project, with focus on how robot can self-localization in the field. The camera used here is omnidirectional camera. This is omnidirectional camera, whereby using the type camera, robot can see two-dimensional felt around the robot with 30 30 360 degrees range. Then the result of vision from the camera will be done image processing on computer or mini PC to detect unique patterns and information in the field that can be used as a reference point for robot to do self-localization. Then robot position data has been obtained will be sent to microcontroller which is robot mind control to be used and information to set the strategy of the robot. This is robot positioning algorithm for self-localization robot in the field. So that the robot can perform self-localization algorithm which I use to detect 3 landmark points as reference of the robot located in the field area with the location of each landmark has its position known. Robot is A is the robot and blue point is the right side for the goals, yellow point is the center point for the center point from the goal, and red is the red point is the left side from the goal. In this case, three landmark point are the two sides of the goal, namely the left and right side of the fiber, the main point of the goal. To be able to detect the desired 3 point, the step will be explained in the following slide. This is a mechanical design of the robot with a mount-facing camera at looking the image from the reflection of the convex mirror. The first test is a color extraction. The result of the robot have been able to extract color of the goal with well can be seen from the input image obtained by the robot can be detected from the goal from the goal width. This is a input and this is a image output. In the second test, the robot can identify the minimum area of the object detected. This is a marker the minimum area from the goal, the blue goal. In the third test is a angle detection, corner detection. In the in the three tests, the corner of the goal is detected based on the minimum area that has been detected before. It can be seen that the point detected is unsatisfactory because the result is not detected precisely at the angle of the goal and always change the location. And then another way that I do is to use the edge and middle of the minimum area of the goal. It is the left and right side of the goal and mean point of the goal. The result is good enough to detect 3 points on both sides of the goal and middle of the goal. So that point can be used as a landmark for reference robot doing self-localization. The three landmarks were detected from the result of the experiment. To get the three landmark point, need to perform self-localization on the robot, determine the landmark point based on the minimum area of the goal to get better result than finding the angle on the goal. Because the angle detection the angle or the corner detection result obtained to continue change its localization. And this is a result of the detection distance from the robot from the goal. This is a distance robot from the center goal is 50 cm. Estimate distance from the center goal is 49.8 cm, and estimate distance from the right side is 50.5 cm, and distance from the estimate distance from the left side goal is 50.7 cm, and a distance 80 cm from the center goal. Estimate distance from the center 79.3 cm, and estimate distance from right side is 82.1 cm, and estimate distance from the left side is 82.3 cm. Conclusion: the mechanic of the robot has been complete. The tag of object that can be used and landmark point for the robot doing self-localization can be done. In this case, the object detected is a goal. Landmark point with the reference point that has known position to perform self-localization on the robot has been obtained. The distance between the robot and each of the landmark point has been obtained, which he knew this distance support the next step to be able to determine the robot coordinate in the field. Future work plans: install the hardware used to control the movement of the robot, replacing the original feed with a banner into a carpet. Continue the image processing to get the robot coordinate. Transferring image processing that is still done on the computer, the personal computer, to the mini PC. Mini PC that is used by Jetson Nano. Okay, that's all for my presentation about the progress of this final project. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.